to the party. I seen some I never saw. Everybody was moving.
Day 2. Papunta kami in Disneyland. Ay kami ng train.
Number 2.
Ayan o nga. Sayang. Naiwanan kami. Punta na kaming Disneyland. Ayun yung train. Here. Ayan. Babe. TM.
Disneyland!
Si tita naging bata ulit. Paakit na kami. Ito yung ticket.
At yun yung nasa train?
Hindi, ano yung nasa train.
Ano yung siya?
Yung naglalakad ako ngayon lang. Wow! Mga Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse headband oh. Oh, ayun. Tingnan mo. Mami! Ito lang ata. Sige, go na. Andito.
Yung...
Ayaw magsalita. Kaloka. Paano maiintindihan yun? Dito na tayo. Oo nga, mag-uubad na nga rin ako. Yay! Yay! Si Mickey nag-surfing. Pasok na tayo. Papasok na kami. Yan, yun yung entrance nila. Actually, yun, hindi pa pala yun. Ito pa lang yung entrance. And may ticket na kami, kaya hindi na kami bibili pa. Hindi na kami pipila para bumili pa. Di ba sa entrance na tayo? TM! May ticket na tayo! Ang daming ano dito, ang mahal ng headband. Yay! Ang saya-saya. Babe, video. Casey, video. Thank you. Huh? Sorry, I asked English. Walang tao, no? Uy, hindi pa tayo nakapagpa-picture doon.
CR pa sila.
Kuha tayo ng map. Map guide. Ano yan? Magkakaiba ba?
May English tayo.
Guide map.
Ito English.
Ikaw, ilan kailangan mo?
Isa lang ba to? Isang itsura lang. Guide map.
Friends na ayaw mo? Ito, para hindi ka maligaw.
Isa lang. Pasok na kami. Hong Kong Disneyland Railroad. Yan. Si John na nagdala ng bag ni Casey kasi nabibigatan si Casey. So, there. Papasok na kami. Ah, meron nga. Wi-Fi.
Nagkahiwalay.
Sige.
Wag, gawin mo yan. Ikaw lang mo 5 ko eh. Kontakin ka ni Mama.
Pag ako nawala,
Kontakin mo. Kami ka. Ha?
Pili ka. Kung
Sige, ako na lang. Ayoko kasi on yung wifi ko. Mapag-lobat.
pipila sana kami doon. Kaso, close na daw. 1:30 na kami. So yun, ikot-ikot na muna kami. At super init. Nagtanggal na ako ng coat ko.
Tara na, mag-ikot na tayo.
Tara na.
Puro picture lang. Hindi natin may enjoy.
Wow! May mga ano. Yay! Ang saya-saya. Masaya na ngayon. Kanina hindi masyado.
Hindi pa rin masaya.
May rides dito, nak. Doon. Di ba, babe, may rides dito? Doon sa loob pa. Andoon.
Naka-film sa mga Disney movies.
Wow, Mickey Mouse balloon. Pwede kayang hawakan yan? Sana tayo? Kala ko kain muna tayo. Doon ata yung kainan eh. Or meron din doon?
Marami yan.
Ah, okay. May restaurant. 160 per person. Lunch set till 5 p.m. Sakay kami dito. PM. Video. Ay. Hi. So enjoy. Video. More.
Nalikot ako guys.
Number na tayo?
Selfie ka, babe.
Number na tayo? 5. Pahiram ako, babe. Papakita ko lang. Ito, number 5. Babe, oh. Si Casey, ayan na. Aray. Makakalas ka! Makakaloka ka! Itaas mo! Nung trash can, kanina na naglalakad yun, nagulat kami. Yan, kakain kami. Ito ang food nila dito, super mahal. Nasa ano na yan? Magkano 100? 600 pesos, no? 600 per meal.
Bibilin mo. It's 11.
Ang dami, oh. Magbigay ka ng comment, Ate M.
Hindi ako makapaniwala.
Ang mahal dito.
600 na ko.
Oh, yan. 600 in peso na yan, ah.
600.
600. Samantalang to sa atin, magkano lang yan? 100 plus. 50 lang, no? Pero maliit na size. Pero busog ka na nun. McDonald's.
Para namang ipakita niya sa'yo.
Magaling ako, marami akong mata.
There's make a way.
Kahit nakatalikod si daddy may mata.
Sabi nila, we find way.
Video. Tem, okay ka na?
I'm full, yeah!
Dito kami sa ano ba to be?
This robotic arm
Toy Story.
The Starlight Fusion power cells. Without those cells, we'll all be powerless and at the mercy of Zurg. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells. While the rest of you, let's turn on those robots.
Ay, ang galing, may rides. Sakay tayo here.
Space Rangers, your mission has been delayed. Please remain seated. 各位太空巡逻员，您的太空任务。Spinning your space cruiser. Joystick spin control is now activated. You are now in command of your space cruiser. Spin at will. Joystick spin control.
We've got Zurg on the run. Blast in with everything you got. Never mess around with Stardom. Caution was what you thought. Good shooting, Space Blast in with everything you got. Don't forget to alter those blasters. Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you. Check the status board to determine your rank. And don't forget to holster those blasters.
Dito na naman kami sasakay. Rides ba to, Ate M? Rides? Tita, hi ka. Hindi po. Mild lang naman ata yung mga rides nila dito. Hi kayo, hi!
歡迎各位太空探家，飛越太空山係喺黑暗太空中一次驚險、高速、充滿路感、過山車式嘅體驗，包括有急轉彎、突然下墜同埋急停嘅動作。
Video to eh. Oo. Teka lang. Pwede yan eh. Ito. Dito naman tayo sa Autopia. Ha? Ganda oh, nakasando. Isa lang? Oh, they need to step on the pedal. Yung bata ba't andun? Asay number 5. Ayun. Ay. Ha? Sino? Si tita? Taray tita, mag-drive ka mag-isa? Dahil naka-stop, naka-hazard. Ayan o, naka-hazard. May driver ako, si Ate M. Yay! Sisigaw ba ako?
Oo nga. Ay, bitawan mo siya. Bye!
Bitawan mo nga. Ate M! Ayusin mo mag-drive. Ay, kailangan sundan mo, no? Oo. So, igitna mo.
Wow!
Saya.
Kasi hindi tayo
Drive si Ate M, oh. Hi, Ate M. Ang galing yun. May truck talaga.
Ah?
Ang bagal natin. Si Tita, na. Ayan, bumibilis na. Si Ate masyado seryoso mag-drive.
Grabe, ganito pala to.
Ayun si Tita. Wala pa si Tita sa likod. Ayun si Tita. Ayun. Oh. Hindi, akit pa tayo. Top down pa yung kotse natin. Sosyal. Bibilis ka na.
Masyado na babagyan.
Marunong ka na. Hi! Wow, perfect ka na ka. Stop down. Huwag kayo magalit.
Galit agad?
Yung pala Pilipino. Pupunta naman kami. Saan tayo pupunta next na? Adventureland. So yun, mamaya na lang ulit. Of all the characters? Of all the characters? All characters?
Nearly
all characters.
Ah, okay.
Gusto mo videohan kami na lang.
Nakakagutom yung popcorn nyo.
條褲又去。
Tapos na. Tapos na. Maliit talaga siya.
Hi! Welcome everyone to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. I am your skipper today. My name is Royal. Nice to meet you, and here I have some reminders for you. Please be careful and take care of your electronic devices, meaning your mobile phone or camera, etc. And also, please take care of your children. And for the last thing, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside of my boat every moment when on my boat.
Baka may buhaya.
Look to the opposite.
Ay,
This is
yun,
the
no?
Thai
Sa kabila.
factory house. Have you been there before?
No.
Elephant and her little baby. Hello, the new baby is newborn and just learning
kulito,
how
parang
to
totoo.
use its tongue. Be careful, okay? In the jungle, not everything is friendly like me. This way, we see the brother. The brother is taking a shower. is obviously he got tan and his skin is all wrinkled. Here we have the father elephant. Did you bring out lots of pictures? For example, the spiders. Thank you.
Oh my God.
They are spiders, they are big and venomous, so don't touch them or you will get poisoned. There are one more, which is right here. This is the guard of the tree which protects the whole jungle. At night it will come alive and catch the people who pass him by. Here we have a king cobra. The king cobra will catch you at the slightest motion, so please be careful. Now we are getting close to a batch of crocodiles. To be exact, of crocodiles on both sides of the river. If they open their mouth, it means that they want some food. Be careful. Now let's move on. We are getting to the camp. They're doing some kind of experiment inside, so it's not good to stay any longer. Yes, come back at night, so maybe you will find out what they are doing. It's okay. After this turn, we'll be on the grassland in Africa. On the grassland, you see the zebras, giraffes, and African elephants. The male zebras are white in black stripes. The female zebras are black in white stripes. This is the second most feared animal, and this is the first most feared. The first most feared in the jungle. Probably his mother-in-law.
Ayun o, may hipo.
We are in the hippo pool. Each hippo weighs 6,000 pounds here on both sides of the river. This is more color from our boat yesterday, and they are still here today and probably tomorrow because the ride of the hyenas are waiting for him. So please don't get off of my boat, even though we are now right in front of the headhunters village.
Nakakangalay.
So watch out for the both sides of the river, and they must be hunting. So check it out. They are shooting. Please check if your bag has the dart with you. If you have the dart with you, then maybe it is poison, and then we will. So it is time to go back. Let's do the other side. Go to the other side. Let's see if we could go by this way. This is the Forbidden Canyons of the Gods. And you can see there are some splash in front, so we can't go. And there is a huge bag, so we are trapped here now. We are Forbidden Canyons of the Gods. This is the God of Fire.
In fairness, ang init.
We shouldn't come here. We shouldn't have come here. So yeah, this is fire of the water, fire of the water. And the fire is getting greater and greater. So what do we do? Uh-oh. Whoa. It's hot. It's really hot. Together.
Parang makatotohanan.
We are just saved by the God of water, and
Tapos
now
na?
it's the time to go back. Hi. Now is the time to say goodbye to my friends, the baby elephant, and say goodbye. You're welcome. Please do me a favor. Help me keep your hands and elbows inside of the boat so that we can go back.
Nakakainis yung amoy na yun. Babe. Nakakainis yung amoy na yun. Ang sarap. Popcorn. Popcorn. Since tayo
ay Fantasyland. Kapag pa naglalakad dito ay nakaganon.
Dahil doon nasa Fantasyland, dapat ganyan. Ayaw.
Gusto nila sa ano lang.
Si Pilay ko. Lumipad na si Pilay. Agila. Gold Eagle.
Gold Eagle.
Gold Eagle. Sabi na taga mga probinsyano. Mga hayop pala dito. Peter, pato-pato. Binigyan Silver Swan. Pato-pato.
Ano binigay?
Silver Swan.
Binusuka. Sinat yung suka.
Toyo.
Toyo. Silver Swan din ang suka? Wala.
Meron din. Kasi sa probinsya ang Silver Swan.
Toyo.
Parang ano pa ni yung artista
Saan?
Dalap ka baka nakasakay na sila.
Si Beauty.
Natawa nga ako sa Athletic College na sila. Natanga nga sila nila Michelle doon sa cartoon. Sabi ko, isaan nyo yung mga bibig nyo, mga kulehiyo na kayo. Nakakagata sa ano, sa...
Ems, pagod na, oh. Tingnan mo. Tingnan nyo si Ate Ems. Parang nasa bahay lang. Oh. Oh, diba? Ganun. Oh. Storyland. Ay, sina dyan, oh. Enjoy na enjoy. Tapos na.
Nagsasaya yung tiyan mo.
O ano, mga gutom na kayo?
Nagsasaya yung tiyan mo.
Caterpillar.
Relax lang pala to eh. Relax lang, relax.
Yun masarap. Ang sarap! May parang pabilis ng pabilis. Ano kami sasakay? Active dito si Ate Big eh, oh.
Parang kitikiti.
Oo nga. Tingnan mo yung tita. Sunod din.
Siya rin excited.
Iniwanan na nga tayo eh. Okay lang yan sila tagahanap ng entrance.
Dito rin yun.
Hi ka?
Teka, may picture ka lang. Tara!
Kaya mo ba yan?
Kaya mo yan? May bata nga eh, parang... Tara, Ate Em!
Ayaw mo?
Baka daw sa si Chan niya. May bata pa, Bibo. Tapos na, hindi pa.
各位新兵注意，在你们开始行动之前，请开完这段非常重要的训练短片。
Pilipino din siya.
I know a lot. They usually teach you that one, the bad word first.
Thank you! Salamat! Hi! Ano na? 7 o'clock PM and nakatapos namin mag-ride. Tapos may pupuntahan pa kaming dalawang attraction dito. Medyo madilim na. Kasi magsasara na ang Disneyland ng 8 PM. So, yung mga nanonood at gusto pumunta dito, dapat maaga kayo. Mga 10:30 AM. Dito naman tayo. Mystic Manor Tour Entrance. Artifacts, ano?
100 years na to dito.
Ha?
100 years na to dito. Mistake mo. 1896 na ano.
Wow! Ito ba yung bahay sa labas? Ay, parang, ay hindi.
Oh, yan.
Yan ba?
各位賓客喺演講廳將會有特備節目，就係由亨利爵士介紹
Wala na pong ata itong taas eh.
同埋入面嘅收
May taas pa ba to?
以及近期先發現
Exit na oh.
同埋嘅巴黎音樂盒。多謝。
Nak, excuse me, bebe. Excuse me, nak. Wait lang. Okay.
Ay, baka mga luma na yan.
Museum. Dito. Tayo lang tayo dito. What's next?
Hello, can you hear me out there from back in the projection room?
Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome to Mystic Manor. 歡迎大家嚟到my late night home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal residence. I am
Pwede
Lord
pala
Henry
umupo.
Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my traveling companion, confidant, and rather mysterious partner. Yes, Albert, that's you. Now run along. Ah, well, for several years now, Albert and I have traveled the world, in search of rare and precious artifacts for you to enjoy as you tour our home in Mystic Manor. These are just a few of our treasures.
Oo nga eh. Yeah. Pala. Solarium. Ay! Nanggugulat eh.
True. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor.
Magti-train naman ulit. Ang habang lakaran to ah. Ang layo na entrance. Pag weekends, babe. Oo. Hindi sumunod si na tita.
扶手落嚟，除帽，要將所有工具放入前面嘅工具袋，為咗安全，坐定定，將手同埋腳保持喺台面部。祝你好運啊，海港嘅老友！
Howdy, prospectors! When you board your minecart today, have a seat, pull down your lap restraint, remove your hats, and secure all your gear in the cargo bag in front of you.
Hi! So, okay kami dito sa Big Grizzle Mountain Mining Train. Para roller coaster, grabe. Ang sarap, ang lamig, at ang bilis sa haggard na. Yun, after nito, fireworks na. So, yun, mamaya na lang.
Few minutes, we will dim the lights so that you can fully experience our fireworks spectacular, Disney in the Stars. For your safety, please remain where you are until the lights return to normal. Thank you. 女士们、先生们。
哇！
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let your heart take flight.
Wow!
Come with us to a world of wonder and dreams come true. And together we'll discover a whole new world of Disney in the Stars.
Wow! Yun pa lang yun, wow! Yun lang yun. Tapos munggi na. Munggi-issues na. Ay, shit yung tubig. Wow! Wow!
to the world? Why, it would be a dream come true.
Wow! Hindi siya nakapaglipat. Wow, ang ganda. Ang galing ng apoy-apoy na yun eh, no? Wow, ang init. Yun na yun.
Wonderful!
Amazing!
Amazing! Number one!
Movie comment. Alam mo, hindi na tayo nakapunta dito. Akala natin nadaanan natin. Akala natin madadaanan natin pag-uwi. Hindi na rin pala. Tita! Pasweet si tita.
Ay, ma'am, may bread pa pala dito.
Bakery.
May churros dyan.
For sure, mahal. Lahat dito mahal eh. Buti na to cellphone ko, kahit nag-video, pwede ka mag-picture. Pipindutin mo lang yung volume. Nang alin? Sina? Si Ate nag-cause ng traffic. Tem, iwan ka na. Ito na naman yung escalator na mabilis. Wala na tayong akyat. May akyat ba tayo? Yung doon bus. Yung doon.
Saan yun? Station.
Chinchansu. Chinchansu. Yan, pauwi na kami sa resort, sa hotel. Yan, exit.
When traveling on escalators, hold the handrail, stand firm and don't walk.
Oh, and don't walk. Sorry.
Don't walk.
Don't walk.
Sis,
Unahan sila. Exit A.
Mga last one.
Last trip na tayo.
Mamaya nagulat na naman ako.
Kita niyo po, kami naliligaw na. Hindi namin alam saan kami tayo papasok. Sasakay. So, tingin-tingin sa mapa.
Ano ada?
Yung orange pa din.
Talagang maligaw.
Hindi turista pag hindi naliligaw.
Nasaan na ba tayo?
Come on guys, figure it out.
Saan tayo ngayon?